and welcome to Lockdown Aerobics Season 5, and we're up to day number 60. Woohoo! Well, it was Super Saturday and everyone got out there and got vaccinated, and we had over 129,000 I think do it, so good on you if you did it. And we're going to celebrate tonight with a light switch aerobics, okay? So if you don't know what to do, just follow me. And Cody's ready to start the music. Here we go. Are we ready? Here we go. And we're getting ready. Here we go. Go! Woo! Let's move those arms. Come on, guys. Let's celebrate. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And out to the side. Up and down. And back up again, and we're gonna go again. Ready? And up again. And here we go. Are we feeling good? And get it down. Down to our warm down. And back up again. And there we go, we're done. So that was light switch aerobics. And I'll be back tomorrow. Bye!